So we are fully loaded in my Scania P370 6-wheeler, so we're running just about 26 tonne, and this is a steep hill coming out of our yard, so get over these bumpy bits to the really steep bit and see what she's made of. Just coming up to 250,000 miles on this. I had it brand new, and we're just pricing for another one. Go for a Tridam 500 or 560. So this has got a DC13 engine in it, so it is a big old engine. It is bottom rating, so let's accelerate on this hill effortlessly. Go for a gear change in a minute, possibly. A lot of people go the Volvos are much better. Personally, I've never driven one, so I don't know. There we go. Got auto blocks in here, which I absolutely adore. After a long day in the cab, fresh as a daisy. There you go. P370 Scania tank lorry climbing a hill.